Education Education has a very important role in our life. Education is the word that teaches a person to live life. Education is the basic of human life. Education should be equally for both men and women because both together make a healthy and educated society. The first school of any person is her family and mother is said to be the first teacher. Education is that weapon with the help of which one can face the biggest difficulties. Without education, we cannot do any work well. Education is useful in every area of our life. Good education helps in removing all the difference of the society. In our society, uneducated person is treated like an animal. Education is such a thing which removes the animality of man and teaches him to live the holistic development of the human mind is possible is only through education. It improves our knowledge, skill, confidence level, and personality. Education does not mean bookish knowledge, but an education that can really make a man human identify his values, the message of love, the message of humility can be spread in the society only through good education. Nelson Mandela has said the education is the most powerful people you can use to change the world.